This is the West Palm Commission, an E.C.D custom, fully electric Series 3 Roadster Jaguar E-Type, built to our client's exact specification. The West Palm Commission is painted in full gloss Narvik black with chrome accents. This Jaguar sits on premium 16-inch wire wheels with road tyres. This Jaguar also features LED lighting all round. Inside, the West Palm Commission features an original style steering wheel with E.C.D electric set gauges and OEM front seats. Each seat is finished traditional vertical Sabrina leather, finished with a matching stitch. The West Palm Commission is powered by our Gen 2 E.C.D custom electric drivetrain. This E-Type also features an array of modern elements such as E.C.D EV touchscreen user interface, premium sound with Infinity Kappa audio and USB charging ports throughout.